I'm Jordan Soto with Ringba, and today I have with me Sales Director Sean Hitchcock. In this video, we're going to be talking about Ringba's reporting. Sean, what makes Ringba's reporting better than all of the other call tracking competitors on the market, and how does it work?
Hey Jordan, thanks for having me on. We've been loving the content, and I hope all the fans out there feel the same way. The reporting has grown over the last few years. Specifically within the last year, we've done a major update. It's probably easiest if I show you. Ringba's reporting has been refined over the last year or so. We recently pushed out the newest version in the last 6 months, which made it really lightning fast. So pulling a lot of data really quickly. I just pulled 9,800 calls. You saw how fast that was. Very fast. Additionally, you can customize all of your columns. So you're not stuck with these defaults here. So if I scroll down, you see that there are some default data points, call date, campaign, etc. If I click customize, I can extend these columns and add or delete any column I see fit in real time. Additionally, you can drag and pin columns the way that works for you and your company. These are saved by user, so you're not having to do this every single time. Also, really cool in reporting is this actionable drop down here, so you can actually block callers, you can tag or annotate phone calls in real time, and then you can adjust revenue and payout amounts, which is nice because when you do it here, it reflects in your partner reporting, both your publisher and buyer reportings. We also have another tab called Insights. It's more of a macro level report. You can also customize all of your different columns over here, which is very nice. This is great for billing. You can see that it is a level-based report, and what by that I mean, it starts with a default of just campaign information. You see some basic metrics like your revenue, your payout, great for billing. But if I wanted to pull like a buyer report, so that way my accounting could come in here and actually bill, I can do that pretty quickly, and you see, the performance of each. I can also look at graphs and charts and different metrics.
This video is brought to you by Ringba. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per-call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per-call, visit www.ringba.com.